Good Saturday, everyone. It's the Easter weekend, and it looks like a little bit more like Christmas out there. We've got the forecast coming up. At least the cold weather that we are now experiencing is freezing up the snowpack. And all the melting and the warmth we had from the last several days, 50s and 60s for highs, has caused some problems on a couple of waterways. We've got a couple of river flood warnings here for the Mohawk River in Utica, also the Tioughnioga River down to the south near Cortland in Cortland County. So just want to give you the heads up, minor flooding there. So happy Easter, everybody. Here's our forecast. A little snow for most places. It will not be white. However, there may be a couple of inches on the Tug Hill and the Adirondacks overnight, and then during the daytime a little bit more slushy accumulation on colder surfaces. But I think in Syracuse it's little to nothing. But still, some snowflakes flying in the air. It's going to be a chilly day. Normal high 52. We're only at 39 degrees for this Sunday with a slight breeze out of the west at 5 to 15, mostly cloudy skies. The bulk of those snow showers coming in late morning into the early evening. So I think early on, as you're heading off to church, perhaps could be a little bit drier. High temperatures this Saturday, 41 in Syracuse, fairly uniform, more 41 there in Rome, Cortland, Watertown. Really no place all that warm or cold. As far as the almanac goes, you'll see we were 11 degrees below average with that 41, typical is 52, and we were right on target last night. Tonight, I think we do drop into the 20s, though, so we continue those below normal temperatures. Here's what we can expect for tonight. We are going to drop down to about 27, 28 degrees with some scattered snow showers tapering off, mostly on the light side. So there's the risk for a little slushy accumulation, especially on things like trees and cars and gas grills and decks. Not as much, in fact, little to none on the actual roadways. Coming up on Sunday, some periods of wet snow developing late in the morning. Highs only in the 30s. Some spots mid-30s at that. I think we'll be close to 40 here in Syracuse. And we should make it into the 50s for Monday. There is going to be, though, a price to pay. More clouds and a chance for some rain at times. We're actually going to see a frontal system moving around. It's not going to be in the same spot, but moving around upstate New York right on through the midweek. So giving us either rain or snow. But as it starts to lift to the north, it's more in the way of rainfall. Now, breaking down our futurecast for tonight. We have some passing snow showers early on, then a break, and then another batch that comes through midnight through about 2 or 3 in the morning. Quieter weather to start the day Sunday. Want to get a little exercise in. Could get a couple of peaks of sun, especially in the North Country and Adirondacks. But sliding in from the west, some more periods of snow. Hilltops south and southwest of Onondaga County could get a fresh inch during the day. Slushy accumulation. There'll be very little to none in the North Country and Adirondacks, as you see, further away from this low pressure area. And more often on precipitation coming up Sunday night. Some snow showers. Late Sunday night it may taper again, but more rain showers likely on Monday as temperatures warm. And by Monday evening they may lift northeast of Onondaga County. Overnight tonight a trace of accumulation for most spots, but you see this dark blue here could get up to an inch here. Also up over the Adirondacks and the Tug Hill, maybe 2 inches of snow. Temperatures tonight starting off near 40, ending up just below 30 degrees. Our low temperature at 27 degrees. And yes, we'll find those scattered snow showers and flurries during the overnight, tapering off late at night. So we'll start the day dry here on Easter Sunday. Upper 20s. It's a chilly day. Winds 5 to 15 out of the west and a high temperature of only 39. And we'll find those periods of light wet snow developing. Could even be some rain showers mixing in during the afternoon. 52 with some periods of light rain or rain showers on Monday. Steadier rain at times Tuesday. 51. We do make the 60s next weekend.